Welcome back, viewers. In the last video, we had done the performance test for LAVD scheduler, and we had used the SCX LAVD variant of LAVD scheduler, and the scheduler profile selected was low latency with the performance flag enabled. Now we are going to use the server profile. There is no extra scheduler flag available here, and this is the scheduler profile. So it is SCX LAVD, and the main name of the scheduler is LAVD, variant is SCX LAVD, profile is server, and we are going to apply this to our system. So system will change the profiler and the scheduler to this profile and scheduler given here, and we can start the test. So this is it. Geekbench is there. So the Geekbench bin file will start in the background, and you will get the results here on the terminal screen. Now we will just wait for the test to complete. We will not use the system while the test is going on. Only once in a while I will just move the cursor a little bit so as to stop the system from going into sleep, hibernation, or switch off of display. I am expecting the performance to further improve with the server scheduler profile. Multi-core test have started. So the test is complete. Let us view the results. So here you can see the results have again fallen down by 200 points for multi-core, and for the single core also it is almost 100 points down. So for the server profile, the SCX LAVD scheduler performance dropped down a little bit, not much, but it drops down. And you can compare the scores here and see how the scores went up, then plateaued out, then again it went down little bit, then again it improved, then it again went down. So this is how the results are coming up for the different tests of different schedulers and their variants, along with the different profiles and the performance flags. So this is it for today's video. Next video, we will try out the SCX P2DQ scheduler profile for the P2DQ scheduler. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.